Already you are familiar with this. You are already familiar with this. If you are familiar with this, then it could be your revision. But if you are not familiar regarding this, then you this would be introduction. This would be first lecture for you. Okay. So here this is going to be our lecture. Okay. So when we listen trigonometry, then in our mind it comes to our mind trigonometry, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. This all this comes to our mind. Yeah, you are correct. Alright. Okay, we feel it's very difficult. We feel it that it's very difficult, but it is our duty to make it easily, and it is very easy. If you are familiar regarding this, then you know that yeah, it it can be it can be easy. It can be done easy. It can be solved easy. It can be understood easy. Okay. But if you are not familiar regarding this, then it could be difficult for you because you are for first time for this trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. What will listen? Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Am I right? Cot. About this, sine theta, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree, sine 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, then 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, then 1. Like this, 1, 1, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 is equal to cos theta. So about regarding this, we will understand later after solving the numericals regarding to trigonometry. So let's understand information introduction regarding. Here you are looking tree, which means tree. It's very easy for you. Anna, tree. Gono, which means angle. Angle you can say side. Okay, angle. Otherwise you can say side. Metric, metric, which means to measure something. Metric. You already know. Metric, which means to measure something. We will measure in numericals to measure. Okay. So meaning of a trigonometry is to measure three sides, to measure angle of a triangle. Of a triangle. Got it? So this is meaning of our this word. Clear? This is meaning of our this word. Tree, already you know, tree which means a tree, gono which means angle, otherwise we can say side. But we have three sides because we are using what here? Tree. Main tree. So we are going to measure what? Three sides. We are going to measure and triangle. Okay. Got it? Now here we saw we have three side. We have three side. This is three side. This one side. This is second side. This is third side. We can name it each side. This side will be named A B C. Okay. To know what this side is A, this side is B, this side is C. And we know name of this side is what? Base. So here we are looking what this is adjacent. So here we can name it A, B, C. It's simple. to identify that which side would be what one. Okay, so this adjacent would be our what base. Clear? Don't worry. So here we are looking at this is a right angle because this is a right angle. You have a diameter, then you would put a, then you will put here diameter, then you would get what uh, here this side would be at 90 degree. That's why it is a what right angle. Right angle which means a 90-degree angle. So here this line is at 90-degree angle. That's why I am saying this is a right triangle. Okay. Now theta. What do you understand by theta? What is the meaning of a theta? Can you tell me some little bit information regarding theta? Okay, if you know, mm, that's nice. Nice. If you don't know, then here say theta, which means we don't know unknown angle. Unknown angle. We don't know uh, what is the angle. If we don't know here angle in mathematics, then we can say what here theta. If we know, then we can say 90-degree angle. So we use a theta when we don't know angle of a triangle or anything. Okay. Now here what is the coming angle? So we understood a little bit information. What theta is known as unknown angle. To represent a noun angle, we write theta. That's it. Angle. Angle has two sides. At least two sides. This is angle. So here, this is inertial. Inertial. This is inertial side. Okay, got it. So we are here, and now we will go towards to till here, like this. Got it. So here we were here, then after some time we go to till here. So here our rotation. To determine our rotation, we can say that I rotated at uh, what 30 degree. So my rotation is what 30 degree. I rotated with a 30 degree. So this is initial side and this is a final side you can see, which is rotation. Okay. So angle should be two sides, at least two sides. First initial, second final side. This was the meaning of angle. Already you know. ABC. Okay. As I told you, this is adjacent. It will be named as base. Base. Okay. Uh, this is a diagonal side, isn't it? Isn't it? So here we put theta here. We put the angle here. Then our perpendicular uh, on triangle would be this. This is a perpendicular. 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 So here because our angle is here, we are representing theta where here. So opposite to theta would be our perpendicular. So opposite it is what this side. So this side is a is considered perpendicular is a perpendicular side, and this is a base because it is adjacent. Now this will be always what hypotenuse. It is a diagonal. You can say it is a in it is not straight. So it will be named always what hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Clear? Hypotenuse. Like this we can say right. AB is what base. AC is what perpendicular, and BC is what hypotenuse. BC is hypotenuse, AB is a base, and AC is a perpendicular. Like this, we represent base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, theta, angle, like this. So here, our theta is here. We are representing theta here. Then perpendicular would be this, because opposite of a theta would be perpendicular. And if we are what we are putting theta here, then our perpendicular would be this, and this would be base. This this will be always hypotenuse. This will not change. This will not be changed. Clear? So opposite of theta would be considered what perpendicular side. Opposite of a theta would be considered perpendicular. So this would be perpendicular when we are putting theta here. Got it? Got it. Now let's write what. So here base we write to represent base. So here we write what B to represent in short. Similar here perpendicular. So first letter of a perpendicular is P. So to represent perpendicular we write P, and similar here hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is starting with first letter. First letter is H. So H is hypotenuse. So like this P B H will be written where in our formula, in our trigonometric formula. So here sine theta, sine theta. Theta we are using because we don't know angle degree, angle degree we don't know. Okay, that's why we are using theta. So sine theta here. Do you know about Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says p square plus b square bravur is equal to is equals to h square. So p which means perpendicular, b which means base, h which means hypotenuse. Okay. So here when we divide by this by uh, hy- hypotenuse square, so we would divide both sides. This is rule you can see like this. Now you are looking what a 2 will cut, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. Now we have what? This would be 1 h. We have a p by h, b by h, then h, only h, only h. No. Here we have what 1 h2 cancel. Now first we have what sine theta. Then here first is what p by h. We can say a starting point p. Through this we can remember formula of sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, theta. Okay, all this. So first is what p by h. This is sine theta is equals to p by h, which means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Clear? Then this is sine theta. This is cos theta. Cos theta. So we have a b by h. Clear? Just we need to remember this Pythagoras theorem. Then automatically you will get automatically. Now sine cos theta. Then after sine cos theta comes what tan theta. Tan theta. We already know. If you don't know, then tan theta is equals to also what sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta. This is a formula which explains that tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So here we are dividing. We are dividing sine theta, uh, sine theta upon cos theta. So here we are dividing. Similar, we can put value of sine theta cos theta. This is value. We will get what h will cancel. H is cancel. Then we have what p by b. So tan theta would be what tan theta will be p by b. Like this, we can calculate p by b. Okay. This is also a formula. It will help in another number. Tan. Now, through this we can find out value of cosec theta, cosec theta, cot theta. How? Here, opposite of sin theta is what? Opposite of sin theta. So opposite of sin theta is cosec theta. Here, remember that s will not be same with s with the same. Okay. Here should be opposite. So opposite is cosec, cosec theta. So just we need to write opposite of this. So opposite of this would be what? H by T, like this. So cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Then similar cosec theta is opposite of sec theta. Sec theta. Got it? Then formula of sec theta will be opposite. What? H by B. Got it? And then already we know opposite of tan theta is cot theta. So cot theta is equals to what? B by P. Like this. That is how is written formula of trigonometry. Okay. So here we wrote sine by cos theta. This is formula as I told you. So here also we can see what this would be opposite in formula of cot theta. So cot theta will be what? Cos theta upon sin theta. That's how. That's how. Through this help, we are going to solve some questions. So here you can see sin theta we wrote how first p by h. Then second is formula of cos theta. So cos theta is equals to p by h. Then tan theta. Tan theta we can find out by divide. We will divide sin theta by cos theta. Then we will get p by b. And also we know we are dividing sin theta by cos theta. So here we wrote sin theta by cos theta like this. Then opposite of this we will get a formula of cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta like this. That's all. Got it? I think we should get started. Some questions. Some questions. B by P. Question is, I am taking question. I am taking question in angle ABC, right angle at B, whereas AB is equals to 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. So determine what, and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. So first question is, we have to determine of sine A, then cos A. Can you solve it? Can you solve it? Do you have any idea after discussion of trigonometry formula? So here we are looking what, no, there is no subtraction, mm, division, addition. No, here is we have multiplication. So here it is saying we you have a angle, triangle. Okay, like this. You have a triangle, and already this is saying your right angle will be at B. Here, this is a B. Got it? This is B. So right angle where is at B, like this. Now here try to focus. We have AB, and AB is equals to 20 centimeter. So AB we have 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. Got it? Already we just need to put it. BC we have 7 centimeter. Okay. Uh, we need yeah, we don't have a value of AC. So of course it will be compulsory to find out the value of AC, because sine theta is equals to how much? It's equals to what? P by H. So H hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. It will not change name. This this like this. This is not in straight in horizontal. This is not vertical. That's why it is what hypotenuse. Here this is vertical, and this side is horizontal. Uh, Here hypotenuse. We are, first of all we have a work to find out what hypotenuse AC. So here we can AC. Okay, we don't know AC. AC value of AC we don't know. A value of AB we know 24. Then value of BC is 7. We are not writing a centimeter. In last step we can write centimeter unit. Okay. Uh, then 24 multiplied 24, we will, for 4 is 16, for 2 is 8, 6 5 7 6. Two four zero, two two zero four, 6 7 5. Now 7 7 zero, 49. Now we will add, then we will get value of AC. No. 7 4 11 6. We are putting a square into, we are putting root, because we had what, a square. So when a square we will put in other side, then it will change into root. Already know. Now root is of 60, root of 625 would be how many? 25. 25. If you are not satisfied that 25 multiplied 25 would be 625, then you can multiply it. 25 25. Here you can see this is a proof. Okay, we will get what value of AC is 25. This is a 25 centimeter. That's how we find out value of BC, value of AB, value of AC. That's all. Through theorem of Pythagoras. Through Pythagoras theorem, uh, we find out value of base, value of perpendicular, value of hypotenuse. Okay, through this formula. Now we have all value of side of a triangle. Okay, so this is a compulsory to write. This is a compulsory. In your copy, you would write in straight line. Now, our angle would be where? At A, here. Got it? Because in question given what sign, your angle would be at A. Clear? So sin theta will now P by H. P by H. Then our perpendicular would be this, not this. This is a base because uh, opposite to theta will be what, our perpendicular. So perpendicular value of a perpendicular side is 7. Hypotenuse is 25. Hypotenuse is 25. Then we have a multiplication. Course. So B by H. Base is value of base is what, 24. Then a value of H, hypotenuse, is 25. Now it's a simple. You can say it is a multiplication. It is a multiplication. 6. Then 7 4 are 28. Then 7 2 is 14. Will be 14 and 2 section. After this, you can cut this. Okay, whatever will be possible. Whatever will be possible. Next question is, So here this is our answer. Okay, so here you can see, you can write sin A is what, 7 by 25, and uh, cos A is equals to 24 by 25, 24 upon 25. Now I am getting erased it. We are moving on next question. Next question is sin C cos C. It is very simple. Sin C cos C. This is second question. It is very simple because already we have value of AC. So here we are putting angle where at C. Now our perpendicular uh, will be change will change. So sin theta already we know P by H. Then opposite to this angle, our perpendicular is this 24, this AB. So value of P is 24, and then H is already 25. Then cos B by H, yeah, B by H. So you should have a formula. Okay, then you will be able to solve like this question. Cos theta is equal, formula for cos theta is what, B by H. So base is value of a base is what, 7, and hypotenuse is 25, like this. Similar. Okay. Here you also can write in addition sin C 24 by 20, 24 upon 25 cos C is equals to value of cos C is 7 upon 25, like this. It is additional. This will be also your answer. Otherwise, like this you can solve it. You can solve it. I think we should uh, go ahead. We should go ahead. Next is question number 2. Question number 2 is in figure in figure you have what, find tan P subtraction cot R. You already have a figure by by this question. Figure is like this. Triangle is of a right angle. That's it. Now you need to determine it. How would you solve it? How would you solve it? This is question. You have this question. Try it. Try to solve it. How would you can, how can you solve it? You have a value of PQ, which is what, 12 centimeter, and already you have value of PR, which is 30 centimeter, 13 centimeter. But you don't have value of QR, value of QR. So through help of a Pythagoras theorem, we can uh, determine value of QR. Okay. So our this is a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. P, then okay. Value of PR is 30 centimeter. We will write a centimeter in the last step. Value of PQ is 12 centimeter. Then subtraction. We don't know value of QR. Value of QR. 30 multiplied 30, then 169, 144, 144. We will multiply 30 to 30. Then we will get 169. Then next we have 12 the square. 12 square. Then we will. It means you need to multiply two times to 12. 12 multiple 12. We will get 144. Here 169. Then this is what, this is a 144 is in add. Then this side will be in subtract, like this. So here 5, then 2, 25. Okay. We will get answer 5. So 5 5 is 25. QR is equals to 5. QR is equals to, QR is how much? 5. So here root of 25 will be how, uh, how much? 5. Okay. So we have what value of QR, which is 5. Now it is easy to identify tan p minus quarter. Let's solve it. So it is saying, your angle will be at P here, at P. So of course, opposite to this angle, this side will be what, perpendicular, and this will be, this would be what, this, and this is always what, hypotenuse. So formula of tan theta is equals to P by B. Then formula of a cot theta is what? B by P, opposite of tan theta. Got it? Value of perpendicular we have 5. Then value of base we have 12. Then subtraction value of B we have here. Hold on. What? This is R. So here it would change value of B and A. Uh, uh, our angle is at R. Now this is a perpendicular. Opposite to this angle, this side would be considered as a perpendicular. So our base is 5, perpendicular is 12. So this was not compulsory, but we found out, we solved it. Okay, this was the revision, you can say, because here hypotenuse we are not looking a value, a requirement of a value of hypotenuse. Okay, so 512 is equal, so it is in subtraction form, then it will got, then answer is 0. Answer is 0. Got it? Like this. So tan theta is equals to P by B, and cot theta is equals to B by B, opposite. So I think we should move on the next question. On next question. Next question is easy. Next question is very is so much easy. Question number is third. Question is, if sine A is equals to 3 by 4, so you have to calculate cos A and tan A and tan A. Okay. Here you would see a twist as we solved it in previous. What is that twist? Let me tell you. Can you tell me which value we need to find out? We need to determine which value. We have a sine A, and sine A is equals to 3 by 4. It is given by our question. And we need to identify value of cos A and value of tan A. Okay. So here we can draw a figure like this. We don't know value of each side. So sine A, we are solving it. Sine A, value of sine theta is what? P by h. So already here given value is what? 3 by 4. So here we are looking clearly what value of P is how much? 3. Value of H is how much? 4. But we don't have value of base. Value of base. So here can we write like this? Whatever you want to do. Also you can write here A. Also you can write A here. A, B, C, mm, A, B, C, like this. Whatever you want to. Okay. So here our sign A we will put where? Our angle is where at A by question, by given question. Okay. So of course it is easy to identify perpendicular base inside with the triangle diagram. So our angle is at A, then opposite to it, opposite to it would be our what perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. So value of perpendicular is 3 centimeter. Uh, so this is perpendicular. This is always what hypotenuse. So hypotenuse value of hypotenuse is 4. So now we don't know value of base. It's our duty to determine value of base. Also you can say value of AB. We don't know. Okay. So it will be found out by Pythagoras theorem. Uh, value of P, we have this. This is a P. This is H. Value of P is what? 3 centimeter. No, we don't know value of P, so it will be acid. Value of H, we have 4. 3 3 is a 9. Then like this. 4 4 is 16. A square will turn into root. Then it will be put into another side. In another side. So we are putting this a square this side. That's why it will turn into root. So 16 here, 16, 9 is with the add. So this we will put this 9 this side. Then it will turn into subtraction. This is a formula of algebra, you can say. So 16 minus 16 subtraction 9 uh, oppose 7. No, no. Because we are finding out what B as well. So I think we are right. So here 7. Then we will get what answer right? This is the value of base. Got it? Base value of base is root 7. Now let's put a value of b with this question. We have a cos a, then tan. Cos a. Already we know value of formula of value is equals to is what b by h. B by h. So value of b is what? Root 7. H 4. This is the answer of our first question. Then we have a tan a. We have tan a. So it means p by b. Well, formula for tan a will be what p by a. Then it's a time to put value of p, value of b. Value of p what 3 and value of b is what root 7. 7 under root 7. This is answer. Got it? This is answer. That's it. That's it. Now we are moving on the next question. Next question is next question is question number is 5. Question number is 5. I'm writing next question. Given such data is equals to 13 by 13 upon 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So here to make it clear, we have a 6 ratio in trigonometry lecture. We have how many? 6 ratio. I have written here 6 ratio. First is sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, quad. This 6 are ratio of a trigonometric. We will find out value of sine all this trigonometry ratio with this given value. With this given value. We have sec theta, uh, which is 13 upon 12. Okay. Sec theta is what h by p. So already given here value of the sector 13 by 12. H H H value of the H is 13 and the value of P is value of P is what 12. What is 12? 12. So here we don't have a value of P. So through Pythagoras theorem we can find out and it is compulsory because the value of P will be applied with all trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So we have this figure. Okay, we have this figure. This is hypotenuse. This is this. We have a value of hypotenuse is how much? 13 centimeter. And perpendicular how much? 12 centimeter. We don't know value of this. So through Pythagoras theorem we can find out value of a base. Value of p 12, then the value of b we don't know. So we got answer of how much b a value of b is 5 centimeter and it is compulsory to write with this solution. Okay, so we have what b is equals to 5. This is our base. Same. So here question is the same. Find out all value of all trigonometric ratio. Find out value of all other trigonometric ratio. So here we have only 6 ratio and 6 ratios are sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. So already we have a value of a cosec theta. Now we need to find out. We need to calculate how much, how many 5 ratio. So from starting, yes, sin theta, sin theta uh, is value formula of sin theta is what p by b, p by b. So 12 p by h, p by h, 12 by 30. So cos theta, so 5 by 30, tan theta, which means p by b. So p by b. Already we know with the formula. And now this is the opposite of cot. So cot theta would be what? Opposite. 5 would be up and 12 would be down. 5 upon 12. Got it? Then we 2 to 4, 5, 1. We have left 1. 1 is cosec. This is opposite of this. P by h. So we have a P and h. So cosec h by P. So 13 by 12. P by H. Is it right answer? That's it. We have put wrong. This is a B. Okay. This is a B. So here we have a value of P is what 5. So P by H 5 by 13. B by H so 12 by 13. P by B 5 by 12. P by B. P by B. Now B by B. H by B. So value of H is 13 and P 5. That this is value of all other trigonometric ratios. First, second, third, fourth, five, six. We have how many? Six ratio. How many? Six ratio. We have calculated all value of trigonometric ratio. It's a time to move on next question. Next question is question number 7. If cot theta is equal 7 by 8, 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Then second, we have to evaluate of cot square theta. Is it easy? Is it going to be easy? I think yes. You will think no. You will think no. Let's solve it. Let's solve it. Cot theta. So formula of cot theta is what? B by P. Opposite. B by P. So value 7 by 8. Given value of cot theta is 7 upon 8. So here value of B is how much? 7. Value of P is how much? 8. But we don't have a value of H, which is hypotenuse. We don't have. So of course, because here we are looking sine. So formula of the sine theta is P by H. Formula of cos theta is B by H. So hypotenuse will be compulsory, but we don't have a value of hypotenuse, so it will be compulsory to find out through help of by help of Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. So value of P 8. Value of B 7. Okay. 8 8 8 8 64 49 3 3 6 4 6 4 10 9 4 13 6 4 10 10 1. Is it right? Is it right? Value of hypotenuse. Value of hypotenuse. Yeah, is that right? Yeah, this is right. Value of hypotenuse. So we have a value of hypotenuse. How much? Value of H is 133 in under root of 100 root of 113. Okay. Here we can write what sine theta uh, p divided by like this. It is not a problem. Okay, it is not problem. We can write to make easy it. Then cos theta. Why we are writing? Because of this. So here B 7 by we have put a value of sin theta, value of cos theta. That's it. It will be easy. Okay for you. So first question is this 1 plus of sin theta, then 1 minus of sin theta. Okay, upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. It is very easy. It is very easy. We just need to put value of sin theta, value of cos theta. That's it. Okay. 1 plus value of sin theta is how much? At y at upon root of 130. 130. Then one. Okay, you can understand. Upon 1 plus. Can we write? We are putting value of sin theta first line. That's it. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Then here we are looking what? LCM you can see. Okay. After this, what do you think? After this process, after this process, here you are looking what? Here you are looking. mm, Here you are looking a is equal to formula of algebra. A is equal to root of 113. Then here uh, downward a is equal to 100 root of 113. Okay. Then we have how much? 8 and 7. Can we write this like this? Just see like this. But how? 8. 8 square 130 square. Okay. Can we write? Because here we have 8 8 and here we have 2 like this. Can we write? This gone wrong. This gone wrong. Here, uh, here we are looking algebraic formula. Algebraic formula. What? A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. We now what this is the formula of a square minus b square, because here plus and minus we are looking. So 1 square plus or minus sin theta square. Okay. Then also here a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then cos square theta, like this. Now we can put value of sin theta of cos theta. Sin theta we have 8 by, okay, this is in root. Then 1 7 by 1, 8 8 the 64. A square root cancel. Now we have, then 7 7 49. Root and a square will cancel. Will be cancelled. After this, anybody can solve it. After this, anybody can solve it. How? Uh, okay. Then 3 9 11 3 9 11 5. So am I right? This is answer. This is answer. Okay. This is answer is 7 by 8. Otherwise, you can write 49 by 64. Second is cot a square theta. Second is cot a square theta. Cot a square theta. So formula of cot theta is b by p. B by p. So this is the second question. B by p. B by p. 7 by 8. So a square will turn into root when it will be put in another side. Otherwise, you can say this is answer. Okay. Else you can solve ahead. You can solve it towards. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's all from my side. And next mathematics, next questions of this we will solve in the next slide.